Alright, here we have a scroll saw, and in our class we're using a Hegner scroll saw. This one happens to have variable speed. The rest of them that we have do not. That's okay. The key thing here is the blade going up and down, and we'll come in for a close-up, and you see that the teeth are angled down towards the tabletop where they will be doing most of their cutting. And I have moved the airflow to the other side to give a better look at the cut. So what you're going to be doing here is the same thing as what we did with the crosscut saw and the coping saw, cutting through on the waist side of the line. So we have here our axes, and we're going to stay on the waist side of the line and cut down from the end grain, just like with the crosscut saw, and then we turn sideways and we can cut with the in the shoulder. Now here we're also going to be able to curve very carefully, just like we did with the coping saw. So this will perform both functions of the crosscut saw and the coping saw to cut out the waste. Alright, so you can see that we're able to make a very nice cut right along the line there. And what you saw me was adjust and recut even closer to the line, because I was being very cautious the first time in cutting off the line. So we're going to do two more like that. Now this one I started to cut on the line. We'll have to see how that one fares once we try fitting these together. Now we can cut into the shoulder, and then we'll show a curve. Now in order to make a curve, you have to make sure that the width here doesn't pinch the blade. If we start to pinch the blade, we can snap the blade or break our workpiece. So we need to cut wider by backing up and then cutting ever so slightly a wider channel, back up and cut a wider channel. Alright, now, that was relatively straightforward. Might have to go back and shave that off again, we'll see. But now we're going to go down the right side here and angle into the waist. Remember, this is going to be removed, so we can destroy this and it doesn't matter. What we need to do is not destroy anything else. Notice ever so slight widening, and then we're going to do a little more widening, and then I'll swing it around to cut along the line.